Oh, I've seen this before. Yeah. Oh, the fence has sprung a leak. Why does this happen? I think it happens every time. And it's pretty bad. I just gotta keep... Oh, I hit somebody. That's okay. They'll be fine. The biggest... we can keep patching it. Or I could, we could call a plumber. Or I saw this one guy. He did this really smart thing, and he's a guy, so he must know what he's doing. We go get duct tape.